हेलो, माय नेम इज क्षितिज श्रीवास्तव एंड दिस इज माय वीडियो ब्लॉग। सो आज मेरे साथ हैं हर्षिक सुरैया। हर्षिक सुरैया जी से मैं 3-4 साल पहले मिला था। मैंने इनको फेसबुक पे मैसेज कर करके परेशान कर दिया था कि मुझे आपसे मिलना है, मुझे आपसे मिलना है। फाइनली इन्होंने मुझे मिलने के लिए बुलाया और मैं इनके पीछे पड़ गया। फाइनली इन्होंने मुझे काम भी दिया और मैंने इनके साथ 1-2 एड फिल्म्स करी। उसके बाद मैंने निकलना पड़ गया था। वेलकम टू माय चैनल हर्षिक सर।
Hey, Kshitiz, thanks so much for having me, man. And first of all, thanks a lot for waiting for me. I took a little while to come, so thank you so much for that. And I'm glad that you're doing this. And अगर इससे कुछ भी लोगों को अगर सीखने मिल रहा है, या if they can follow what we are going to talk here, and if it can help people, then I'm really glad that we are doing this, man.
अरे इट इज डेफिनेटली
So,
गोइंग टू हेल्प पीपल बिकॉज आई हैव लर्न सो मच फ्रॉम यू कि उतने कम दिनों में
hmm,
मैंने इतना सीखा है तो बाकी बच्चे तो सीखेंगे, इसलिए मैं आपके पीछे पड़ा था बिकॉज यू हैव स्टार्टेड योर ओन कंपनी। सो Harshik Suraiya sir has started his own company called Vanilla Films through which he has done a lot of ads. You can check out his फेसबुक पेज जिनमें इनके सारे एड्स पड़े हुए हैं, वहां पे आप देख सकते हैं। मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में शेयर कर दूंगा तो वहां पे आप देख सकते हैं। तो आशिक सर, सबसे पहली चीज जो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आप एडवर्टाइजिंग में काम कर चुके हैं, आपने फिल्म एड्स डायरेक्ट किए हैं, आपका अपना प्रोडक्शन हाउस है। आपकी जर्नी कैसे शुरू हुई? मतलब ये बचपन में आपको एडवर्टाइजिंग में ऐसे आने का मन था या फिल्म लाइन में आने का मन था? कैसे जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई आपकी?
yeah, honestly, if I tell you, I mean, a lot of things are unplanned.
हम्म।
So basically, जब मैं स्कूल में था तब आई वाजंट सो गुड एट स्टडीज
हम्म।
एंड नाउ अब मतलब मैं कभी कभी मॉम को बोलता रहता हूँ कि यार मुझे लगता है मैं डिस्लेक्सिक था, बट आई डाउट इफ दैट वाज द केस, बट आई वाजंट मे बी इंटरेस्टेड इन स्टडीज। एंड ऐसा नहीं कि मैं कोशिश नहीं करता था, आई यूज्ड
हाँ।
टू ट्राई अ लॉट, आई डोंट नो फॉर सम रीजन आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू वेल,
हम्म।
whether be it studies or be it sports or be it
हाँ।
life. So, and also, I think it has a lot to do with my childhood.
हम्म।
Wherever I am here today, or
हम्म।
जहाँ पे भी मैं पहुंचा हूँ, it's got a lot to do with our childhood, and ये सबके साथ होता है. What
हाँ।
your upbringing actually, kind of nurtures into what you become today or tomorrow in
आप
your life.
मुंबई से ही हैं या
So,
मुंबई किसी और शहर से थे?
नहीं, so I am born and brought up in Kerala. I am
हम्म।
born and brought up in Kozhikode.
अच्छा।
अगर सिंपली और तेरे ऑडियंस को अगर समझाना हो तो द प्लेस वेयर वास्को डी गामा लैंडेड,
वास्को
everybody
डी
says, oh,
गामा।
Vasco da Gama, so people get it, you know.
हाँ।
So Kozhikode is where I was born and brought up.
हम्म।
13 साल निकाला मैंने वहां पे Kozhikode में.
हाँ।
Then obviously, my father's business wasn't doing well. He
हम्म।
tried his hands in different places, and
हम्म।
you know the very cliched story of not a very wealthy childhood.
हाँ।
So we had to come to Bombay. My Nana stays here.
हम्म।
Uh, uh, Now he's no more. He's passed
हम्म।
away.
हम्म।
Recently passed away. He's very close to my heart. So Nana actually took the decision of getting us here, and he said, there's no life here, so please come to Bombay and let's have a new life.
हम्म।
We'll see what we can do for you as a family, and together let's prosper. Let's do
हम्म।
something.
अच्छा, तो
So
आपको
that's
हिंदी नहीं
when
आती थी जब आप मुंबई आए थे?
नहीं, हिंदी तो बहुत अच्छी आती थी. See, the
अच्छा।
thing is, we are Gujaratis. Okay, so Gujarati is not so different from Hindi.
हाँ।
And also, I studied in a CBSE syllabus.
हाँ।
ठीक है, केंद्रीय विद्यालय जिसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, है
हाँ।
ना. तो वहां पे तो हिंदी was a second language.
सो बेसिकली यू आर ट्रू इंडियन।
इंग्लिश
आप गुजराती हैं जो केरला में पले बड़े
हिंदी
और
was
बाद
a
में
second
मुंबई
language.
आके काम करने लगे।
हाँ, वैसा वाला सीन. तो हिंदी तो मतलब was it was I was very proud of it कि हाँ. और
हाँ।
पढ़ाई में भी हिंदी और इंग्लिश में मैं ठीक ठाक कर लेता था, बाकी किसी भी
हाँ।
सब्जेक्ट्स में
अच्छा नहीं
I
होता
I
था।
couldn't do it, and I was not very excited about studies and all of that. So it
हाँ।
was quite boring
हम्म।
at that point of time. So moving forward, हम लोग आए यहाँ पे, we came to Bombay,
हम्म।
and again see, it's like, for example, it's very easy to say कि यार बॉम्बे सपनों की नगरी है और बॉम्बे
हाँ।
ये बॉम्बे वो,
हाँ।
all of that. And I will say one thing, that Bombay, while it's given us a lot of things, it's also scarred us.
हम्म।
Okay, in a good way, in a bad way, it's very subjective,
हम्म।
and I have no opinion there.
हम्म।
I am still trying to figure it out कि बॉम्बे ने किस जो तकलीफें दी है वो
हम्म।
अच्छी है बुरी.
हाँ।
ठीक है, of course, end result अगर if you keep if you are persuasive and if you are you're
परसिस्टेंट।
resilient, and और ये सब चलता रहेगा तो obviously इसके fruits दिखेंगे तुमको,
हाँ।
which goes without saying.
हम्म।
But life, to start a life in Bombay is not easy. You yourself know it. You are not a
हाँ।
Mumbaiker.
हाँ.
and coming from outside is much more challenging than being born and brought up in Bombay.
2 साल तो मुंबई को समझने में
Because
लग जाता है.
absolutely, because all said and done, Bombay has its way of living. यहाँ के
True.
लोग अलग भाषा में बात करते हैं. भाई भाषा, I don't mean हिंदी. ये लोग का अपना अलग स्लैंग है, और अपना तरीका है जीने का, अपना तरीका है लाइफ देखने का. And it's a very smart way of looking at life. I was mesmerized when I came to Bombay. So I was very happy that Bombay has happened in life. And जो भी जरिया रहा उसका, I mean, of course, things weren't working out in Kerala and we were pushed to Bombay in a way, and जो भी उसका journey रहा, but at the end of the day, we were in Mumbai, and we had an opportunity to do something as a family. So that's how it happened. And just fast forwarding from there to, I mean, because I was not so excited about studies, and again, and abhi to khair, there are so many options when it comes to your after your school, right? At that time, we know that it was only science, arts, commerce, and
doctor ban jao.
वही था. Correct, वही था. So I think by the time I finished my 10th, मेरे पहले mom ने मेरी life figure out कर ली थी. So mom had decided that because I'll rewind a bit. So एक चीज थी कि I should draw a lot. ठीक है, वो होता है ना यार, one boy who sits in the classroom and वो draw करता रहता है, Mickey Mouse बनाता रहता है, Donald Duck बनाता रहता है. So that was me, Sports में I couldn't enter, studies I couldn't do, but I could draw really well. So one thing that introvert, very much an introvert, and even when it came to studies and sports, I was never recognized. But when it came to we had a period called CCA, co-curricular cultural activities. That is what it's called. So CCA I was really good. I used to go and sing, and I used to go and dance, and I used to go and draw. So I had these extracurricular activities where I was really good at. So usme, I think my mother saw the spark, and we call her the pillar of our house, like every mother. And she has a sixth sense. Yeah, all mothers have. I think almost all mothers have a sixth sense. कि उनके बच्चे क्या कर सकते हैं, what they are good at, and that goes without saying. तो उनको पता था कि यार I was good at drawing, but उनको कहीं ना कहीं से समझ में आया कि इसका कुछ स्पेशलाइजेशन होता है ये ड्राइंग का. तो there was this thing called Model Art Institute in Dadar. वहां पे फाउंडेशन करके एक कोर्स होता था. ठीक है, तो फाउंडेशन में क्या होता था, मोस्ट ऑफ इट जितना मुझे याद है, इमीडिएटली आफ्टर 10th, वहां पे ये होता था कि यू आर ड्राइंग पॉट्स एंड पैन्स एंड ग्रेप्स एंड ऑल दीस थिंग्स अ लॉट. ओके, ये बहुत ज्यादा होता था. तो आई मीन इट्स नॉट ओनली दैट, बट
शुरुआत इसी से होती है एक्चुअली.
जहां तक मेरी मेमोरी है वही हो रहा था. और you have these typical artist looking professors and teachers, and it's a very small area. अभी तो मुझे नहीं पता, काफी साल हो गए. I think 2006 नहीं, 2006 भी नहीं, 2004 में आई थिंक शायद से 4 या 3 में आई वुड हैव गॉन टू मॉडल आर्ट इंस्टीट्यूट. तो दादर में बहुत, आई थिंक वो दादर का जो ब्रिज है जहाँ पे से स्टेशन आ रहा है, आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव बीन,
I've been there.
उसके सामने एक उसके सामने बहुत सारे पुराने बिल्डिंग्स है. तो वहां पे फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे था. इट्स अ गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो वो टाइम पे हम लोग वसई रहते. तो वसई में मेरे नाना थे.
अच्छा, वसई से रोज दादर आते थे?
एब्सोल्युटली. आई मीन ये तो अलग ही जर्नी का. तो बट खैर यार वो जोश में हो जाता है. इट्स नॉट अ तब बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं लगती. अभी and also the thing is you don't calculate those things at that point of time, because at that point of time you're just going with the flow, and also you're not at an age where you make your own decisions. At least for me, I was not so outgoing on. I wasn't so I mean, of course I had my own I was whimsical at my own side. मतलब मैं मस्ती बहुत करता था, सुनता नहीं था. ये सब हरकतें होती थी.
रेबेल हो जाते हैं बच्चे.
टीनेजर की जो ये हरकतें थी. बट यार जैसे कि आजकल का जो जनरेशन है, दे आर ब्रिलियंट यार. आई मीन द अपकमिंग किड्स, लाइक if you are to say kids who are born especially in the 2000s, they are brilliant. So I mean, yeah, हाँ मतलब मिलेनियल में तो हम लोग भी आते हैं, बट we are
हाँ
still not, at least we are still not that outspoken.
हाँ,
And हाँ, अभी तो खैर,
they have
because I'm
access
running a
to too
business
much
and
knowledge. हम लोग पास knowledge का कोई source नहीं
absolutely,
था. हम्म,
absolutely,
हम्म,
absolutely, absolutely. You said the right point, and no Google and all that shit,
हाँ,
obviously. So I've been coming back to Model Art Institute.
हम्म,
But everything was good. I was good at drawing, but
हम्म,
my issue was if you tell me to do something, then
हम्म,
it becomes a challenge.
अच्छा,
Because what starts
अपने से
happening
कुछ भी
is
बना
then
दूंगा मैं.
you are like, हाँ, मतलब
हाँ
अगर मेरा मन किया तो आई एम ए फ्री बर्ड.
हाँ
बट इफ यू टेल मी दैट ये है, ये करना है, ये देखो, ये यहाँ पे ईयरपोड्स का ये है,
हाँ
एस है, और तुम्हें
हाँ
इसको एग्जैक्टली ड्रॉ करना है, इसका शैडो कितना, ये कितना है,
हाँ
तो मेरे हिसाब से वो कैलकुलेशन में चला जाता है. ठीक है.
हाँ, फिर वो
और फिर
जॉब
वो,
वगैरह लगा.
हाँ, फिर वो देख के उसको ड्रॉ करना, ये करना. एंड ऑल्सो मराठी वॉज एन इशू. मराठी एज अ लैंग्वेज आई कुडंट
हाँ
अंडरस्टैंड because I just come from Kerala,
हाँ
and all the professors, they used to talk a lot in Marathi. I mean, Marathi was the first language,
हाँ
and that's how the system had worked for several years.
हाँ
That's how they
हाँ,
had taught all the students. And here you are, an outsider who doesn't know what to do,
हाँ,
who is amongst all these really smart kids in Bombay. Okay, you're completely lost.
हाँ
Because they know क्या करना है. They are very smart at it. They know exactly कि shadow, कास्ट शैडो को क्या कैसे गिरता है कास्ट शैडो, एक पॉट कैसा दिखना चाहिए, लाइटिंग क्या होती है, ग्रेप्स पे लाइटिंग क्या होती है, उसके मिड टोन्स, हाई टोन्स और शैडोज क्या होने चाहिए, सब पता है वो लोग. एंड आई वाज द वन हु वाज लाइक टोटली आउटकास्ट.
मम्मी ने भेज दिया तो आ गए.
हाँ, mummy said do this, and I was like, okay, chalo, no more studies. And obviously, I mean, at that point also, I was doubting it, because see, the thing is,
अच्छा, that was a school 10th के बाद वो 11th 12th वाला जो चीज है वो था वो बेसिकली.
11 12 तो नहीं बोल सकते उसको क्षितिज, उसको you can just say it's like क्या बोलते हैं उसको, it's like an upward step. That's what you can say, So it's like college only, but it's not your college. वैसा वाला scene, because then I did a 3-year course which is of commercial arts, proper commercial arts, in this place called Raheja Worli. And again, Raheja Worli is a college where it's not a degree college. It's a diploma college. Again, if you pay us money, we will give you admission. वाला scene था वहाँ पे. So
तो रहेजा है. हाँ, पैसा दो अंदर.
हाँ, वो रहेजा नाम था उसका, and all of that, and at least यार बच्चे को कहीं पे एडमिशन मिल रहा है, चलो ना दो, है ना, वैसा वाला सीन है कि साले इसको दूसरे कॉलेज में कोई लेगा नहीं, इसको डाल दो यहाँ पे, we will be busy for next 3 years. Again, the college was in Worli. I was traveling for 3 years.
और ये अच्छी बात है आपके माँ बाप की कि उन्होंने ये देखा कि आपको इंटरेस्ट किस चीज में है, फिर उसी में आपको फोर्स किया. ये बहुत अच्छी चीज है.
Absolutely. And of course, by that time I became friends with it, कि okay, ठीक है, now I don't have a choice. मजा आ रहा है, वैसे भी इसमें बहुत ज्यादा तो पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है, ड्राइंग करने मिल रहा है. And in foundation I failed, by the way. I didn't get through in foundation. Okay, that was gone. Okay. So then Raheja happened, and of course it broke my heart. Yeah, how can I fail? How can this happen to me? But obviously I didn't understand anything. I couldn't understand anything what was happening around me. You are this boy from Kerala who is just thrown into all this chaos. तुम्हें बाहर निकलने में ही टाइम लग जाता है. तो उसमें से बाहर निकलते then I think by the time I went to Raheja,
and worst is अभी आप बता रहे हो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम, उस टाइम पे मे बी आप अपने आप को ब्लेम करते होगे, शायद मैं नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ चीजें.
Absolutely. At that time you were like, my world is over.
मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा, सबको आ रहा है.
अरे घर छोड़ के भागना है कि भाई मतलब हिमालय चले जाते हैं, तो वैसा वाला सीन था कि यार छोड़ के भाग जाते हैं, माँ बाप का बहुत पैसा है, ऐसा वैसा, वैसे भी बेचारे देखो कितने गरीब है, कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं मेरे लिए, है ना, माँ भी ट्यूशन करा रही है, ऐसा सब. हाँ, और मैं देखो पास नहीं हो रहा हूँ, ऑल दैट शिट. तो अ लॉट ऑफ गिल्ट ट्रिप गोज इन योर माइंड. यार एक चीज मैंने बहुत अच्छे से समझी है कि, और ये कहीं किसी ने बोला भी है कि जब तुम्हारे घर पे परिस्थिति अच्छी नहीं होती ना, तो वो टाइम पे बच्चे लोग भी ना, they become very smart,
responsible.
Yeah, they will not demand unnecessary things. I'm sure you must have realized that, or you must have read it somewhere, and it's a very common thing कि जब माँ बाप को अपने बच्चों के लिए while they're trying really hard
हाँ,
and they can't afford to give you
हम्म,
what they should,
हम्म,
you automatically become mature. You
हाँ,
automatically
हाँ,
start understanding things, and
हम्म,
you automatically stop avoiding yourself from asking unnecessary things.
हम्म,
So that happened, and then by the time Raheja happened, I
हम्म,
was in a very good space. I think, and not because again I was understanding what the professors were saying, because I found good friends.
हाँ,
I
हाँ,
made good friends in Raheja,
हम्म.
and we looked at each other's back, and we took care of each
वो
other.
बैंड्रा
And
क्राउड होगा थोड़ा सा.
बैंड्रा क्राउड नहीं था,
हाँ,
अंधेरी क्राउड. सीधे
अच्छा, अंधेरी
गरीब को
क्राउड.
गरीब दोस्तारी मिलते हैं,
सही
तो
है.
गरीब को गरीब दोस्ती मिलते हैं, क्षितिज.
हाँ.
ठीक है. सो वैसा वाला सीन था. एंड
हाँ.
and I'm so happy that we became friends, because
हाँ.
वो लोग भी मेरे जितने ही नालायक थे. ठीक है.
हाँ.
So अच्छा, by the way, to the audience, whoever
हाँ.
this is watching, please don't be like me. Okay, be responsible, work hard,
Disclaimer.
be passionate. Disclaimer है. So please be yourself, and you need to push your limits.
हम्म,
That's very important. ये सब realize किया मैंने by
हाँ,
the time I grew up.
हाँ,
So yeah, and I think by the time third year happened in
हाँ,
Raheja,
हम्म,
I think I was in the right space of mind. क्योंकि वो
हाँ,
टाइम पे मुझे रियलाइज हो गया कि यार वहां पे भी ना, विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू टीचर्स एंड द
हम्म,
फैकल्टी, वहां से निकलने के बाद भी मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था कि एडवर्टाइजिंग क्या है,
हम्म,
मीडिया क्या है, ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग किसको कहते हैं. बिकॉज दिस टाइम while they were not teaching so much in Marathi, and they were teaching in English and Hindi, and
हम्म,
it was multilingual. But the issue was, I felt that they themselves weren't so exposed to the industry.
हाँ,
Okay, so if the professors, और ये मैंने बहुत सही चीज सुनी है,
हम्म,
किसी ने कही है कि people who have done things
हम्म.
should actually teach things.
Should actually teach
So
things.
for
हाँ.
example, I think जो तू FTI ले ले, या फिर
हम्म,
well to do film institutes ले ले,
हम्म.
और
SRFTI.
especially, हाँ, people who have made films are teaching films. People who
हाँ,
have done acting are teaching acting, and
हाँ.
that's very important.
हम्म.
मेरे
They
ख्याल
have
से ये
gone through
बहुत
the
ज्यादा
process.
important.
हम्म,
Correct, correct. Now you yourself are a faculty somewhere, and
हम्म.
you have done that experience.
हाँ.
You have taken that experience. तू सीखा है, you have kind of wet your feet in the sea.
Been on set,
And
seen those things happening. हाँ.
absolutely, and only then can you go and teach kids
हाँ.
what that industry is all about.
हम्म,
So that was an issue. But I think by third year, that responsibility had come in. कि यार
हम्म.
कुछ तो करना है,
हाँ.
because and not to make this sound like a very soapy black and white movie,
Dramatic
but
thing. हाँ.
हाँ, मतलब, but it so happened that to take my college money and all that, my mother had sold jewelry.
हाँ.
So तब तक ऐसा हो गया था कि यार ये थोड़ा ज्यादा हो रहा
हाँ.
है. I think, and at that point, थर्ड ईयर जब खत्म हुआ तब मेरा ऐसा हो गया था कि यार मुझे एनिमेशन बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. आई
हाँ.
वुडंट लाइक, आई
हाँ.
लव एनिमेशन. I mean,
हाँ.
I've grown up on, like so many 90s kids, I've grown up on Jurassic Park,
हाँ.
Toy Story, and I've grown up on these things.
इंडियन वाले
Disney
नहीं
is,
देखे थे मोगली और
मोगली मैंने एनीमे देखा था, वो
हाँ.
वाला,
अच्छा.
जो दूरदर्शन पे आता था सुबह, तो
हाँ. हाँ.
जापानीज एनीमे था जो,
एयरपिन
बिकॉज उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से बनाया था, तो वो
टारो थम्बलीना.
obviously
हाँ. DD1 पे आते थे.
100%. So DuckTales and
हाँ.
Tailspin, and
टेलस्पिन.
so I was like a Disney kid.
हाँ.
मतलब डिज्नी ऐसा, मतलब घोल के पी लिया था.
हाँ.
So मुझे एनिमेशन बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. I
हाँ.
mean, the only reason I started drawing was also Disney.
हाँ.
So, and then by the end of the third year, I had an option to do animation, because all my
हाँ.
friends are going into animation,
हाँ.
all of them.
हम्म.
So by that time, I was like, animation
तो वहां
करना
से
चाहिए,
प्लेसमेंट
but
था
यार
कुछ रहेजा
no,
से? नहीं
no,
ना. हाँ.
कुछ भी नहीं था. So obviously, mom was
तो
worried
थर्ड ईयर
about
के
that,
एंड में
क्या
हाँ
होगा,
कि अब देखना पड़ेगा क्या करना है.
अब देखना पड़ेगा क्या करना है. But then there were two ways: should I
हम्म.
work or should I do animation? So I
हाँ.
said I'll choose work,
हाँ.
because I think money is a priority right now. So
हम्म.
let me work for some years,
हाँ.
and then we'll see कहाँ जा रहा है करके.
हम्म.
But obviously, once you see money, then you're like,
हाँ.
oh no, this is nice.
This is nice.
This is nice.
Continue
This
this for a while. हाँ.
correct. मतलब मतलब यार कॉलेज में कभी वड़ा पाव के आगे गए नहीं, बट देन नाउ यू गोइंग टू मैकडॉनल्ड्स एंड सीसीडीज एंड,
हाँ
क्योंकि वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात ही है वैसा
हाँ
वाला सीन। सो you're doing all these fancy things after you got a job.
तो आपको
And
पहली जॉब
McDonald's and
कैसे
CCD
मिली?
might not be fancy right now, but they were at that
हाँ
point of time because they just entered Indian
एक्चुअली
market
अभी
now.
आप उल्टे हो गए हो ना, पहले अब आपको ज्यादा वड़ा पाव ज्यादा पसंद है, मुझे पता है।
हाँ अभी तो मतलब I mean क्योंकि
हाँ
वो नया नया रहता है तो you are like अरे dude I can
हाँ
spend my money and do this and that and all of
हाँ।
that. So वैसा वाला सीन है. So yeah, and then I got a job in a very small place, and then I left the
कैसे
job
मिली, कैसे
there.
पहली
And
जॉब कैसे मिली आपको? रेज्यूमे
so
भेजा
यार
या डायरेक्टली? हम्म।
so मुझे पहली जॉब जो मिली थी ना,
हाँ
मतलब I haven't confessed this to anybody, but
हाँ
my first job, I got my first job through my friend's portfolio. I mean I didn't have a good portfolio,
हाँ।
so my friend said अरे
अब वो
बच्ची
तो
भी
कुछ
से
नहीं कर
he
सकते
uses,
आपका, हाँ
हाँ.
बता सकते
So
हो।
he's like dude why don't you show my work,
हाँ
because he had got a job.
हाँ।
So and I'll be thankful forever to him,
हम्म।
uh, because I really wanted to work hard. I wanted to
हाँ।
give my entire uh, being,
हम्म।
120% to the job. But because the academically nobody had taught us. और इसका
हम्म।
जो भाई था, मेरे दोस्त का जो भाई था, was
हाँ
already in advertising, so he
हाँ
understood advertising. ठीक
हाँ।
है.
हम्म।
So this boy, he got help from his brother to
हम्म।
create a portfolio
हाँ
apart from what was taught in the college.
हाँ।
Okay, and
हम्म।
हमारे ग्रुप में से यही स्टार था,
हाँ
because he knew what advertising
हाँ,
is and
क्योंकि
we
उसका
didn't know.
भाई एडवर्टाइजिंग में है।
And
हाँ
हाँ, and he knew that all of us wanted jobs at that point
हाँ
of time. So he said, dude, why don't you take my portfolio and
हाँ
show it,
हाँ।
and be yourself,
हम्म।
whatever it is, be yourself. So
हम्म।
I said, okay, that, I mean, if it helps, then why not? And it'll be for that. And then advertising agency, they were
हम्म।
just doing pharma packaging and stuff like that.
हाँ
So जो भी तुम्हारे घर पे गोली आ रही है, जब तुम
हाँ।
बीमार पड़ते हो तो उसका पैकेजिंग चलता है लोगों से. ये बहुत ही एक, इट्स अ वेरी फास्ट चर्निंग इंडस्ट्री. खैर अभी तो
हाँ।
एडवर्टाइजिंग भी बहुत ज्यादा फास्ट चल रही है, बट
अच्छा, वो
आई
छोटी सी
थिंक इन
एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी थी उनके पास।
2007.
हम्म।
हाँ मतलब वहां पे ऐसा रोज एक लोगो बनता है, रोज एक
हम्म।
पैकेजिंग बनती है, बहुत
हम्म।
ज्यादा स्पीड में काम होता है.
हाँ।
बट खैर दैट जर्नी वाज वेरी शॉर्ट लिव्ड. एक
हम्म।
महीने का जर्नी था और वो आई लेफ्ट द
बट यू वर
जॉब.
गेटिंग पेड वेल।
नो रे, मतलब
हाँ,
वो
शुरुआती थी।
6,000 रुपीज.
हाँ,
हाँ
उतना शुरुआत
वैसा
थी।
वाला सीन है.
हम्म।
हाँ हाँ, तो 6,000 रुपए से शुरुआत हुई.
हम्म।
बट आई थिंक आई बिलीव दैट आई गॉट द जॉब because at that point I answered one question very honestly that
हम्म।
my boss at that point of time had asked me.
हम्म।
He said कि यार यहाँ पे रोज लेट नाइट होती है, यहाँ
हाँ।
पे रोज यू नो घर जाने नहीं मिलता,
हम्म।
and you'll have to work really hard.
हम्म।
So are you on for it? I
हाँ।
mean, it's not an easy job.
हम्म।
So I only answered him with one line. I said, yeah, sir, यही तो मेरी उम्र है काम करने की.
हाँ
तो आप जो बोलेंगे मैं करूंगा.
हाँ।
I mean, of course, right now the ways of working have changed.
हाँ,
A lot of late nights and all these things
has
are being
become
cut
usual।
down, and
हाँ। अच्छा।
health is being prioritized, and all of that is happening right now. But I think poverty teaches you a lot of things.
हम्म।
Poverty is a very good teacher.
हाँ,
It kind of pushes you into
pushes your boundaries
very
actually।
uncomfortable. Yeah, it pushes you into uncomfortable spaces, and then you become comfortable there,
हाँ।
and you want to do it. You want to
हम्म।
do it badly.
हम्म। और
कि
मुंबई में
कुछ भी
लेट नाइट
है,
रुकने का और लेट नाइट ट्रैवल करने का अलग ही मजा है एक्चुअली।
हाँ वैसा
हाँ
वाला सीन था वो. I mean, when you're what 19, 20,
हाँ
you want to do that.
हाँ
You
हाँ।
want to actually do that.
हम्म।
I mean, I never wanted to hang around with friends in the
हाँ।
evening,
हम्म।
go for bike rides,
हम्म।
चलो इधर बैठ के गपशप कर लिया,
हाँ
या फिर इधर बैठ के कट्टेबाजी कर ली. मुझे
हम्म।
कभी पता नहीं, मुझे कभी भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं था.
हाँ
बट मुझे जिस चीज में इंटरेस्ट था वो था वर्क रियली हार्ड.
हाँ।
आई एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग देयर इज एनीथिंग बैड इन दैट यार. आई
हम्म।
मीन
हाँ हाँ, काम
सबका
करना
अपना अपना
चाहिए।
तरीका,
ये भी
सबका अपना
एडवर्टाइजिंग ही
अपना
है।
तरीका होता है.
ये भी एडवर्टाइजिंग
करेक्ट
स्कैम ही है कि एंजॉय करो बिकॉज पीपल वांट योर मनी।
करेक्ट
हाँ
करेक्ट, सबका अपना अपना तरीका है.
हाँ
बट मेरा ऐसा था कि यार मुझे तो काम करना,
हाँ।
ऐसा मेरा बहुत ये था कि यार आई विल वर्क.
हम्म।
सो
तो कितने
सो
दिन
ये
काम
हो
किया
गया.
आपने? हम्म।
सो वहां पे थोड़ा थोड़ा टाइम तक काम चला,
हम्म।
एक आध महीना काम चला. बट यार वो टाइम पे ना आई केम अक्रॉस दिस ब्यूटीफुल वेबसाइट. अभी तो
हाँ,
खैर थोड़ा ओल्ड स्कूल हो गया वो वेबसाइट, बट इट्स कॉल्ड एड्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. अभी भी a lot
अच्छा,
of people for advertising.
हम्म,
So वो टाइम पे that thing was like a hot fire, you know, मतलब
हाँ,
वैसा, मतलब बहुत एनर्जी था वो वेबसाइट में, और
हाँ,
इतने सारे इंटरनेशनल एड्स देखने मिल रहे थे
हम्म,
वो वेबसाइट पे. तो मैंने एक बहुत अच्छी सी चीज करी यार.
हाँ,
वो टाइम पे मैं क्या करता था, आई यूज्ड टू गो इन द मॉर्निंग टू दिस जॉब,
हम्म,
which was like a more, you can call it a DTP kind of a job, you know. It didn't
हाँ,
have so much creativity.
हाँ,
But after I came back in the evening, I
हम्म,
used to sit and make ads.
हम्म,
I should just sit and make ads. I should just try and match the quality of what I saw on Ads of the World.
हाँ,
And I created a blog at that point
हम्म,
of time.
अच्छा,
तो वो
राइटिंग ब्लॉग,
blog, not a writing blog, तो तभी visual blogs भी होते थे. अभी
अच्छा,
पता नहीं है कि नहीं.
हाँ,
But you know, and I called it Harry's Blogspot.
अच्छा,
blogspot.com करके नाम था
हाँ,
उसका, बाय द वे.
blogspot.com, हाँ,
तो बहुत ही प्रिटेंशियस वेबसाइट बनाई थी मैंने. इट वाज कॉल्ड हैरीज ब्लॉगस्पॉट,
हाँ,
हैश,
हाँ,
सॉरी, स्लैश, नीचे लिखा था योर वर्क इज योर आइडेंटिटी. सो अभी तो मुझे बहुत ही एम्बैरेसिंग लगता है, बट
उस टाइम
ये
बड़ा प्राउड
हरकत की
फील
थी
करके
मैंने.
लिखा होगा.
हाँ, उस टाइम तो मतलब मचा
मैंने
देंगे
बहुत ब्लॉग
बस.
बनाए इस तरह के.
करेक्ट. और उसके उसमें आई यूज्ड टू अपलोड माय वर्क.
हाँ,
तो ब्लॉग पे मेरा काम अपलोड करता था, और जब भी एक ऐड बनाता था मैं, तो
हम्म,
मेरा एक ही एम था कि यार एड्स दो वर्ड पे पब्लिश हो जाए मेरा काम, बस.
हाँ,
बाकी कुछ हो ना, एड्स दो वर्ड पे पब्लिश हो जाए.
हम्म,
तो मैं हर एक चीज उसको बेचता रहता था एड्स
हाँ,
दो वर्ड पे.
हाँ,
अच्छी बात ये हुई, आफ्टर मेनी अटेम्प्ट्स, ऑफ कोर्स ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हर कोई भी चीज तुम्हें फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में नहीं मिलती.
हाँ,
तो after multiple attempts, what the good that happened was, I started having a conversation with the founder. His
हाँ,
name is Ivan Rizil.
हाँ,
He, if I'm not wrong, I think he's a Ukrainian who settled in US. ऐसा कुछ तो है.
अच्छा,
I might be mistaken.
हम्म,
Uh, we struck a good friendship, and then I used to start asking him questions. Okay, you know, what do you feel is wrong with my work?
हाँ,
Why is it not getting published on your site?
हम्म,
Where do you think I'm lacking?
हम्म,
You know, because it's very, I at that very young age, I realized that it's very important to ask right questions, you know, and you should
हाँ,
not be shy. You should not shy away from asking doubts to the biggest person
हम्म,
in the room. Do
हाँ,
not worry if he's a CCO or CEO
हम्म,
or founder of, say, I don't know,
हम्म,
Burj Khalifa. He's made Burj
हाँ,
Khalifa. Whatever it is,
हाँ,
the biggest guy on the planet. He can be a president also.
हाँ,
Ask questions. Don't feel shy about it.
हाँ,
ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, दिल से
मना
dude,
ही
I
कर
don't
देगा.
have time. हाँ, मतलब
हाँ, इससे ज्यादा
जवाब
क्या
नहीं देगा,
होगा.
इग्नोर
हाँ,
मारेगा. So so I think ये होते होते he kind of pointed mistakes and all these
हाँ,
things, and you know, he corrected me in these places, and from there I picked up, I understood the language of advertising.
हम्म,
So it took me this long to
हाँ, तो
understand advertising.
हाँ,
This was my journey
हाँ,
where I understood advertising.
that was your character arc.
Absolutely.
हाँ,
So that's where I kind of started entering the advertising world, you know.
हम्म,
Oh, this is how a headline is written. This is how a visual is created. This is
हम्म,
how, you know, this is what you call body copy, and
हम्म,
this is where the logo is placed.
हम्म,
So much learning, so much
हाँ,
learning.
हाँ,
You know, so the best part is your teacher can come from anywhere she is.
हम्म,
He can be sitting, you know, like 24
across
hours
seven
away from
seas.
your
हाँ,
country,
हम्म,
absolutely across seven seas, and he can be guiding you.
हाँ,
So I think your learning can come from absolutely anywhere in the
हाँ,
world. And then I started posting on blogs and this and
हाँ,
that and all, and I think for me my turning point was when I got the call from Ogilvy,
हम्म,
O&M.
हम्म. अच्छा,
उनका
you got
सामने
the
से
call
कॉल
from
आया.
them. You didn't
Yeah,
apply for it.
no, I didn't apply for it.
हाँ.
So उनका सामने से कॉल आया.
But you joined Ogilvy in 2007, right?
I joined Ogilvy in 2008. So I did
2008.
2 gigs. Yeah, I did
हाँ.
2 gigs in Ogilvy.
Hmm.
One was in 2007, and the other one was in 2013.
Okay. Hmm.
So 2007 में एक gig किया था मैंने, from 2007 to I think 2011.
हाँ.
And then 2 साल मैंने मैकैन में निकाले, और मैकैन में 2 साल निकालने के बाद I went back to Ogilvy.
अच्छा, मैकन में आपने अप्लाई किया था और the job came to you?
मैकैन में मैंने अप्लाई किया था because I was really fried.
अच्छा
So I was like, I can't take this
फिर
anymore.
मैकन आके याद रियलाइज हुआ कि वापस ओगिल भी जाता हूँ.
No, मैकैन was really good.
हाँ.
I mean, I will tell you for me, turning point, there are many turning points in my life, obviously. But I think first was a call that came from Ogilvy.
Yeah.
And I said, I really need to take this up. Because, see, I knew
So how did
that
you
I
get the
want.
call? Someone noticed your work, saw your work, got your phone number and
Absolutely.
called you.
Someone noticed my work.
हाँ.
So, ये जो मेरा एक्सरसाइज चल रहा था,
हाँ.
एज द वर्ड वाला,
हाँ.
ठीक है, वो एक्सरसाइज चलते चलते मैंने ब्लॉग बना दिया,
हाँ.
ठीक है, तो वो ब्लॉग किसी ने देखा,
हाँ.
तो
And they call you,
ब्लॉग
ये तो
देखने के
ब्लॉग
बाद,
बहुत अच्छा है. Why don't you
हाँ,
join
ब्लॉग देखने
Ogilvy?
के बाद मुझे ऑफर, और मुझे 2 ऑफर्स एक साथ आए थे.
हाँ.
I got 2 offers
हाँ.
in simultaneous teams at the same time.
Hmm.
So I had to tell the other person, I'm really sorry, I've already got an offer from Ogilvy and
हाँ.
I'm
Joining
it's in
it.
process.
And Ogilvy is
That
anyways
happened.
number one.
Yeah, they're still doing
हाँ.
great
हाँ.
stuff. Yeah. To be fair to them, I mean,
हाँ.
amazing. And I mean, Ogilvy has given me a lot. So obviously.
हाँ.
So, so yeah, that's how that happened. And then after Ogilvy, I went to McCann, and McCann was where I learned the craft, if you have to say, you know. So I tell you why. I mean, I always wanted to do my own thing, you know. मुझे हमेशा से खुद का ही कुछ करना था. And यार ऐसा हुआ था कि जॉब शुरू होने के पहले भी मैंने ना ऐसा घर में दीवार, दूसरों के घर में दीवार वगैरह पेंट करना शुरू कर दिया था. Not your typical painting stuff, but I used to draw I used to kind of color textured walls and give them nice patterns, and I used to do all those things. I was commissioned for those things even before I started advertising. तो मुझे काम मिलना शुरू हो गया था. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि my art was not helping me fetch money. But I really wanted to understand the craft that goes into creating something
spectacular.
So, पैसा तो नहीं ये चीज सीखने का. तो I said, why not earn money and learn? So for me, my advertising journey was actually my learning. I was never in advertising for money. Never. ये मेरे जो मैंने 12 साल निकाले एडवर्टाइजिंग में, मैंने कभी पैसे को नहीं देखा, कभी नहीं. बिकॉज मुझे वहां से पैसा चाहिए नहीं था. मुझे बस सीखना था कि क्राफ्ट क्या होता है, यू नो, visual craft क्या होता है.
But at that time, did you have this goal कि you know I'm going to be here for a longer period, or do you have this thing that now you have become an ad film director? Do you have this thinking कि मैं एक दिन ad film director बनूंगा या फिर मैं direction में venture करूंगा? Yes. Because till now I didn't see any inclination, मतलब कि आपको director बनने वाला.
Yes. So basically, I mean, when I got a job when I was 21. Okay, I was pretty young. ओगिलवी का जब सामने से ऑफर आया था, तब तक मेरे 1 साल का एडवर्टाइजिंग एक्सपीरियंस हो चुका था. तो ओगिलवी का जब ऑफर आया था तब मैं 21 साल का था. और मैंने पता नहीं यार, आई ऑल्सो बिलीव इन साइंस, यू नो. आई ऑल्सो बिलीव दैट, यू नो, God is showing some kind of signs to you. I always believe in that. And by God, I don't mean any idol or anything. Not idol worship. I mean something that is a supreme power. I believe in that. So I at that time I somewhere sensed कि यार this is some sign to do something beyond advertising. You know, something that is beyond working in advertising agencies. So that time I made my mind कि I will do something of my own. I don't know what exactly, but make films for sure. Production house नहीं सोचा था, but हाँ, films ऐसा कुछ करूँगा, कुछ अपना करूँगा मैं. But अभी जो आने वाला टाइम है, that I will spend in kind of you know, sharpening my craft, just polishing it, just making it better. So that's what I did. That's what I did for next 12 years. I said, they are.
Have you met these guys, Prasoon Joshi, Piyush Pandey, and all these people, Sonal Dabral and all?
Yeah. Sonal I haven't met. Sonal had quit before. Sorry, I had quit before Sonal joined in. So I couldn't meet Sonal, but I've heard really good things about him. Very nice guy, good gentleman.
And Piyush sir, the legend.
In fact, you had met.
हाँ,
Piyush,
उनको ही मैंने
meeting with
कॉफी
Piyush was,
मैसेज कर करके कॉफी के लिए पूछा था, मुझे मिलने के लिए बुलाया था उन्होंने ऑफिस में, वो के लिए वेट
yeah,
कर
I know, I meant you had mentioned that you had met Sunil.
रहा। हाँ
So yeah, interesting stuff, man. So with
हाँ
Piyush, the thing is, he used to visit office, and so my very first interaction with Piyush, I remember
हाँ
they were doing this thing called Champions Trophy. I don't know if
हम्म
you remember, but
हाँ
Champions Trophy was something where all these cricket teams that had won these championships were
हाँ
coming together to create a Champions Trophy. So
हाँ हाँ
winners were playing with winners. So winners
हाँ
versus winners.
हाँ
तो उसका लोगो बनाना था हमें,
हाँ
और जब लोगो बनाना था तो मुझे याद है कि when we were making those logos, my logo was selected
हाँ
for the first round. I mean, of
हाँ
course, it didn't make it to the final round, but
हाँ
only two logos were selected, and
हाँ
Piyush was involved in that.
हाँ
So only two logos out of at that. And see, Ogilvy is not a small place. You
हम्म
have a staff of, at that time we had a staff of like
it's a
1,200
huge
creatives.
हाँ huge
Huge.
place
It's a sea. It's a
हाँ
ship. So at that time, two logos are selected out of, I think, 50 creatives who made like
हाँ
two to three options and stuff.
हम्म
I don't remember. And I was very keen.
हाँ
And Piyush, I think, was monitoring. He was going to everybody's monitoring.
हाँ
अच्छा है.
हम्म
Nice. So वैसा भी हुआ था. ऐसा एक वो इंटरेक्शन था, और एक मिले सुन मेरा तुम्हारा को जब I
सेकंड
think when
पार्ट
it
बन रहा था
completed. हाँ, I think when it
हाँ
completed like
30 years शायद
20 years, 20
हाँ
or 30 years, when it
हाँ
completed that. At that time also we had to make posters, so he came in and he said, nice. So that was our first interaction with
अच्छा
Piyush.
मैन ऑफ फ्यू वर्ड्स
Very few words. And see, the thing is, I mean, the beauty about Piyush is, he's वो जो भी, I think वो जो भी अंदर है वो बाहर.
हाँ
He will not pretend.
हाँ
जो भी है वो मुंह पे है.
that's his best part
And
actually
beautiful,
हम्म
brilliant, and he knows how to empower people. That's his best quality. A lot of people can't do that. So that is something that Piyush does. So one very nice story. When so we created this campaign called End Acid Sale, which was winning at Cannes, and me and my partner, we were at Cannes, staying at his hotel. And सुबह हम लोग को पता चला कि we are winning this Glass Lion. Glass Lion is like it's a very prestigious award. So Glass Lion is basically it's a gender award. So basically by gender award I mean when you work something which kind of signifies a gender equality, or kind of puts weight on gender outspokenness, or puts out a word for other genders, which kind of brings them on the same pedestal. A Glass Lion is given. So Cannes had just introduced it 2 years back, and then we were at Cannes, and सुबह call है हम लोग को कि guys, we are winning Glass Lion, and Piyush has called us to his hotel for drink and this and that and all. And we were like little kids, we were like, oh shit, we are winning this, and trip. I mean, मैं कभी कैन गया नहीं था, मेरे यूरोप में पहला ट्रिप था वो. So we were on cloud nine कि dude, first trip we are winning Glass Lion, and now Piyush is also calling us, तो मतलब life बन गई. So we went there, and my boss at that time, Kenaz, so she said, guys, very sweet woman, Parsi. She said, guys, thank Piyush for, I mean, so basically Piyush had made it happen for us to go to Cannes, because I mean, a lot of people were not being able to go that year, in that year, and companies have their budget constraints. Everybody cannot fly to Cannes every year. It's I mean, if I'm also running a company, I'll have to think of my finances. So that the Piyush had made it happen for us. We were a special case. Me and my partner Gitanjali. So Kenna said, guys, thank Piyush and everything. So we're like little kids, like okay. mummy and all of that. So we entered his we enter the pool area, and Piyush is at the bar. He's drinking. He's
Hmm.
already on in his element, and we see him, and before he says anything, both of us go, Piyush, thank you so much for making this happen.
Mechanically.
Thank you so. I mean, now it's so funny, but the sentiments are running very high
हाँ.
because I mean, End Acid Sale was a campaign which was very close to our heart. There
हाँ.
was no money that was poured in,
Hmm.
and we had put everything that we had, me
Hmm.
and Geetanjali and
हाँ.
our support from Master and Canas. So we were working on it without knowing what is it going to be. Will
हाँ.
people like it, not like it? And
Hmm.
suddenly this campaign just exploded on the internet.
हाँ.
People were
हाँ.
just going crazy over it.
Hmm.
And 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 now it winning a can
हाँ.
was like, and we were
Huge
like
thing.
amongst all, I mean, we were amongst all these biggies, yeah. Like we
हाँ.
were we were amongst Apple and Burger King, and
Hmm.
our name was being announced with all these people.
हाँ.
A campaign that didn't have 1 rupee that went in
Hmm.
was being announced with brands
हाँ.
where people keep pumping in money. Like you can imagine the kind
Hmm.
of media
Hmm.
spend that
Hmm.
a Dove or
Cannes
a
is
Burger
Makkah of
King.
advertising actually. Everyone from
Absolutely.
all over the world comes there. ये
Absolutely.
बीच में
And
खड़ा
all
होना.
these brands,
Hmm.
yeah, and all these brands, they spend a lot of money in their advertising, yeah.
हाँ. हाँ.
तो उनके बीच में having your campaign with no budget at all and it winning
This is a truly
was a big
underdog
deal.
story.
Completely underdog. Completely underdog. And see the best part about this campaign was it kind of changed a girl's life.
हाँ.
It kind of brought acid attack in the limelight. Nobody was
Hmm.
talking about acid attacks before that.
हाँ.
But now if you see, you will see a lot of it
Awareness.
somewhere set it somewhere set an awareness regarding that topic. So we are really proud of that piece.
In which year this
So
happened?
so this happened in 2016.
2016.
2015 is when the campaign was launched, and 2016 is when
You got the
every
award.
festival started recognizing it, and
हाँ.
every advertising festival was talking about it.
हाँ.
So we were like, okay, we have made something of substance. And and then Piyush said, and then Piyush said, when you told Piyush ki, sir, thank you for getting us here and this and that and all. So he said, no, thanks to you for bringing this award to the agency. In his own
आंसू आ
element.
जाए इसमें आदमी के.
अच्छा बॉडी लुटरिंग ऐसा चल रहा था पीयूष का. So everyone went lemon juice or something, this juice and that. And I just went, whiskey.
ये अपने जैसा लड़का है.
And he said that also. He said, I like this guy. Something like that he said. I don't remember. So, ये मस्त ऐसा कुछ तो बोला. I don't remember what he said. So वैसा था यार पीयूष के साथ ये इंटरेक्शन था. And then after that we went to the Ogilvy Villa, which is based in Europe, in Cannes. We did a lunch with the team and Piyush. Again that happened. We won a gold. All of that happened. We won a second award. So ये सब चल रहा था यार. I mean, so that was the mota story and my interaction with Piyush. Unfortunately उसके बाद मिलना नहीं हुआ उनसे. Hopefully we will meet again. I mean, we will share few good words, and I can't wait to do that.
एडवर्टाइजिंग के बारे में मुझे कुछ चीज पूछनी है जो बहुत सारे बच्चे पूछते हैं कि एडवर्टाइजिंग में एक एंट्री कैसे करें. मतलब जिनको एडवर्टाइजिंग में जाना है वो क्या प्रिपरेशन करें. या मान लीजिए इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड से हैं या एमबीए करा हुआ है, सडनली दे फील किया मुझे एमबीए नहीं करना है या मुझे इंजीनियरिंग के बाद जॉब नहीं करनी है, आई वांट टू गेट इनटू एडवर्टाइजिंग. सो क्या तरीके हैं एडवर्टाइजिंग में घुसने के और क्या होता है वहां पे. जैसे लोगों को ये तो पता है कि एडवर्टाइजिंग में एड्स बनते हैं, पर और क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं वहां पे.
यार क्षितिज अभी तो बेस्ट पार्ट ये है एडवर्टाइजिंग का कि इट्स नॉट ओनली एडवर्टाइजिंग, इट्स बिकम कंटेंट. Because of internet, everything has become content. So you can't call it only advertising. And the beauty about internet is it has the power to empower. I mean, अगर internet नहीं होता तो आज मैं तुम्हारे सामने नहीं होता.
True.
I mean, Reshma has happened because of internet. Red Label Film has happened because of internet. So many. I mean, yesterday we got nominated at Curious. for a campaign that we did for mental health. It was just our willingness to do a campaign. You know,
Red Label ad of yours went viral, right?
yeah, that went viral. So yeah, I mean, with Vanilla, it's been such a good thing that in last 4 years we have done 3 viral campaigns. So it's been a good journey at Vanilla. वो तो हुआ ही है. But coming back to your question,
how to enter into?
I think right now to kind of get into say like media or advertising, it's very important to have your own voice. And by having your own voice, I think, it's not only limited to copywriting or art direction. Of course, these things are important, and they give you an edge over somebody else who is competing with you. But I also feel it's a business of ideas, So, जितना ideation में आप सही रहोगे, जितना creativity, and see, everybody is creative.
Everyone is creative.
I mean, yours from your servicing to your planning to your account manager to your obviously your creative team is a creative team. But I'm saying beyond that also your client has to be creative. See, because what about good clients? If I were to say good clients, then I can count them on fingers. And those clients have a great creative inclination. So for example, if I were to speak about Indian market, I'll say Cadbury's, I'll say Vodafone, I'll say
they're ready to experiment, ready to take the risk.
They are bold clients, man. They're really bold clients. In fact, I would talk about the Gulf client, the Gulf campaign that we just did. They are such bold clients, dude. They back a bold idea that one Dhoni will interview another Dhoni. I mean, that is such a bold idea to back. So, I mean, I think the clients who succeed are the clients who are creative. And I think creativity can come in many avatars. So I think it's very important to be an ideator to begin with. And I always felt that anything that has a slice of idea will always have an edge. Always.
What kind of preparation is needed? Like he has to daily write something, or make a blog or something, or make a drawing or something, or read books or something, or watch a lot of ad films, or read a lot of campaigns. What kind of preparation do you think is needed for someone to enter into advertising actually? From the basic level.
I think to begin with, just go through a lot of good work that is happening. Go through a lot of good work. I mean, that is what everyone has done. And that is what will keep you motivated. So go through a lot of good work. See a lot of award-winning stuff. See a lot of stuff that is doing well for brands. And then see how you can apply it in your craft. How you want to kind of create something. Right? You can also ape it. In the beginning, nobody has their own voice. It takes time.
David Ogilvy in his books write कि पहले 5 साल तो दूसरों की कॉपी करके अपना काम चला रहा था. For first 5 years he was copying everyone else.
Absolutely. So I mean, just and then basically, like I said, have your own blog, have your own website. अभी तो website भी है.
इंटरव्यू के लिए बुलाया तो कुछ दिखा तो सको.
Have those things right now. अभी जैसे कि 15 years back इतना बड़ा जत्था लेके जाना पड़ता था. अभी वो जरूरत ही नहीं है. अभी सब कुछ ऑनलाइन है. So create your own website. Have your own Instagram page. You have all these things. Use these tools. Use them to advantage. And also अगर जैसे vertical stories है. So a lot of times people don't understand the use of vertical stories. Vertical stories have to be said in a way that the medium supports the idea. I'll give you an example by what I mean. So basically, in between, I don't know if you've seen it, but a clip went viral where a German shot vertical stories, imagining how it would have been if Instagram was alive in the time of Holocaust.
Instagram was alive.
So that
great idea.
is a great user medium. That is a great user medium. What is stories? What is Instagram story?
Hmm.
Instagram stories is your daily life doings, right?
Huh.
What you do every day, you
Hmm.
put it on Instagram stories.
The stories of
That's
daily
what it
life.
is. So what did the girl do? She
Huh.
used it to the advantage of her idea.
Huh. Huh.
So, but you can't say that I want to make a film and then I will put that film up
Huh.
in a vertical format. It doesn't work like that.
Huh.
It doesn't work like that.
Hmm. True.
There is a reason that the square exists. So, I mean, a lot of things is, a lot of creatives are also, creative people are also, they are voicing this out, saying कि
Hmm.
don't let technology dictate great ideas. Don't do
Hmm.
that. ये
Hmm.
डेटा और ये सब ठीक है, ये सब सही है, ये सब
Huh.
चलते रहेगा. बट अगर तुम्हारे आइडिया में दम नहीं है ना, तो it will fall flat.
Hmm. And now, right now,
And
that is happening actually. Technology is taking over the content thing.
see,
Hmm.
the best, I'll tell you what, the best example is the OTT platforms. The
Hmm.
best examples.
Best example. Hmm.
What do you like and what you don't like? They
Huh.
have given you the liberty. ठीक है?
Huh.
So now you know that great content और खराब content और बेकार content दोनों एक ही जगह पे आ रहा है. What do
Huh.
you choose to see? You choose to see great content. As
Huh.
simple as that. And what is great content? Great content is something that is depth.
Hmm.
It's got a lot of hard work in it.
Hmm.
A lot of research is
Lot of details.
gone
Okay. Huh.
into it.
Lot of hard work went into
Lot of
making it.
details, great writing, great
Hmm.
cast, great acting.
Like a scam,
You
one of the
know,
best examples.
amazing direction.
Without any big
Absolutely.
actors, scam went viral like anything.
Absolutely, and that's the best example of a great idea.
Hmm.
It's a great idea.
Hmm.
Scam actually made Sony live, not the other way around.
Actually made Sony live, which was literally non-existent
You
in
know?
OTT market.
Absolutely, and that's what is that is what we need to understand.
Hmm.
You know, we should not let our focus go away from great ideas because great ideas will always, they will always stay forever. They will not vanish.
Okay, there's one thing that technology has been changing. We both are very unlucky in terms that the moment we enter into film industry, the technology has been changing very fast. The moment I came to the film industry, 5D Mark II came in. Then suddenly there was a huge jump from reels to digital, and suddenly there was a jump from these films to OTT to YouTube, and from YouTube to OTT platforms. And there's been constantly things has been changing. So how do you take it? You take it positively, or do you take it negatively, pessimistically?
See, honestly, if you ask me, this is the best time to be a filmmaker, Shifis. I'm not lying.
True.
Because I'll tell you what, like is a tool to empower. See, anything can work either ways. Okay? But I think as a filmmaker, what you should look at is the positive side for me. ठीक है, मतलब कितने लोग थे जो कितने साल से फिल्मों में अच्छा काम करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे और उनको वो रिजर्व रिकग्निशन नहीं मिल रहा था. बट टुडे मनोज वाजपेयी, लुक एट हिम डू. फैमिली मैन 2.
फैमिली मैन 2 आज ट्रेलर सुबह रिलीज हुआ है. अमेजिंग ट्रेलर.
आई मीन एब्सोल्यूट. स्कैम के बिना उसका काज कहाँ होता आज. अगर वेट करते रहते तो ये लोग को मूवीज में एंट्री मिलना टाइम
कभी नहीं. प्रतीक गांधी ट्राइड सो
शायद से नहीं मिलता. Yeah, but Pratik Gandhi is such a great talent. He's such a great talent. No, even Shreya Dhanvantri. Brilliant.
Surprise. She was surprise element actually.
I am saying I think internet is an enabler. Do not take it negatively at all, because that is what will kind of empower you. That is what will kind of push you and give you the opportunity. See, यार, camera, technology, ये सब चीजें बदलती रहेंगी. But
story content,
वो है, stories will not change.
True.
Stories will not change. And good stories will always be forever. People will want to see them. They will revisit it. They will watch it again and again and again. So I don't think scam is dying anytime soon. No, Breaking Bad is not dying. Sopranos is not.
Great story actually. Acha, at what time?
Nothing is. All these shows are not. Sorry.
No, it's okay. So I was asking, in what time in your actually आपका थोड़ा सा internet lag कर रहा था. So I thought you stopped talking. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा.
हाँ,
So anyways, I want to ask you कि in
हाँ,
what time of 12 years of your journey you realize कि I just want to quit and start my own filmmaking journey. I want to start my own production house, because that's a big, huge
hmm,
decision. Because I know you were getting married at
hmm,
that time as well. You have a family to
yeah.
support and everything. So how did you made up that decision? मतलब कि अब मुझे छोड़ना है, अब ये करना है, because it's a huge risk actually.
Hmm,
Hmm.
hmm. Yeah, that's a question which is it's easy to answer also, and it's very difficult at the same time. So I'll tell you. Basically, yeah, I always wanted to do something of my own. है ना?
हाँ
वो पहले से ही था.
हाँ
और see, because I mean initially advertising doesn't pay you a lot.
हाँ
But जो भी मैं कमा रहा था ना, उसमें से मैं
हम्म,
थोड़ा थोड़ा करके बचा रहा था.
हाँ
कुछ भी हो जाए, I used to save money. You know,
हाँ
I used to not party so much. I used to
हम्म,
not go out.
हम्म,
I used to always save, always,
हम्म.
always, always
Because
save.
you had this plan inside
And
your
I
mind.
think by the time I had a plan inside my mind कि मुझे
हाँ
कुछ तो करना है खुद का. मुझे
हाँ
नहीं पता क्या, but I want to do it. है
हम्म,
ना? And by the time I started my second gig at Ogilvy, मैं
हम्म,
डिसाइड करके चला था कि यार यहाँ पे सही हुआ या गलत हुआ मेरे साथ मुझे नहीं पता.
हम्म,
But from here, whatever I do next will be my own.
हाँ
वो मैं सोच के चला था.
हम्म,
यार अब इशू ये है कि यार तुम सोचते बहुत हो और प्लान बहुत करते हो, बट हमेशा तुम्हारे प्लान के हिसाब से चीजें नहीं होती. ठीक
हाँ
है.
हाँ
और ये होता ही है.
हम्म,
एंड see, the thing is, business is a very different animal. Shipis.
हम्म,
I mean, I could have been directing as a freelancer under so many banners, and I
हम्म,
would be doing decent enough for me
हम्म,
because they must have set, they have their own set standards and
हम्म,
they have their own set contacts, and you know, they are working on their own. But I think what business teaches you is discipline.
हम्म,
It teaches you certain amount of discipline. It changes you as a person. It makes you understand the value of money.
हम्म,
So, and hence, I was more business inclined
हम्म,
than direction inclined. I'll
हम्म,
be very honest with you.
हाँ
Like a filmmaking inclination.
हम्म,
So what happened is we did Reshma, like I
हम्म,
said, which is End Asset Sale, the campaign, and End
हम्म,
Asset Sale did so well for itself. And End Asset Sale में ऐसा हुआ था कि यार me and my partner we were just running around everywhere managing things
हम्म,
because it was a pro bono thing, and we had taken the initiative to
हम्म,
write that campaign.
हम्म,
So मतलब उसका उसका इनिशिएशन से ले उसका क्या बोलते हैं इंसेप्शन से लेके टू एंड प्रोडक्ट तक वी वर हैंडलिंग इट कंप्लीटली.
हाँ
ठीक है. सो इट्स लाइक राइटिंग अ स्मॉल फिल्म. इट्स
हम्म.
लाइक राइटिंग अ
अच्छा,
शॉर्ट
this
फिल्म.
is
तो
before
तुम
Vanilla happened.
बिफोर वेनिला दिस
हम्म.
ओगिली
अच्छा, this is
while we were
Ogilvy.
Ogilvy.
हम्म.
And then you're writing your own film, and then you are creating your own brief, and
हाँ
then you are going and meeting the survivor at her place. You are
हाँ
convincing her parents that don't worry, she will be
हम्म,
fine, she's in safe hands.
हम्म,
You're meeting the NGOs, and one
हाँ
NGO says no, the other one agrees to it. All
हाँ
those things. So यार वो जो 6 महीने का जो पीरियड था ना,
हम्म,
उसमें हम लोग ने बहुत कुछ देख लिया.
हाँ
बहुत कुछ देख लिया.
हम्म,
है ना? No funding, nothing, no
हम्म.
backup, no plan B, nothing.
But
Of
only
course,
one
a lot of
desire
people
to make it.
just one desire to make it and put it out.
हम्म,
And of course, we had so many hands helping us,
हाँ
but the decision making was ours.
हाँ
वो तो कोई करने नहीं वाला
हाँ
था.
हाँ हाँ
तुम्हें आके कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि अरे अच्छा सुनो, ये
हाँ
ब्रीफ का क्या हुआ, ये ब्रीफ तो तुम्हें लास्ट वीक दिया था, अब
हाँ
क्लाइंट तुम्हारे सर पे है,
हाँ
चलो ये सब नहीं हुआ.
हाँ
तो ये जो डिसिप्लिन है और ये जो तरीका है काम करने का, ये
हम्म,
बहुत कम है. एंड देन
हम्म,
बिकॉज रेशमा डिड सो वेल, इट
हम्म,
आल्सो गेव मी द कॉन्फिडेंस दैट इट वाज द राइट टाइम टू टेक द प्लंज.
हम्म,
But I was wrong
हाँ
at some point,
हाँ.
okay, which I wouldn't deny. So I took
Which
the
is very
plunge,
great that you
and
accept these things, that you are right or you are wrong.
absolutely,
हाँ,
absolutely, I
हम्म.
was wrong. Uh, because
हेलो,
oh, हटा
आपका
गया.
नेट चला गया था. हाँ, कोई
हाँ
बात नहीं.
हटा गया.
So I was talking about कि
हाँ
you were saying it is very good thing that you admit that you were wrong at times.
Yeah, absolutely. No, and I think, see, the thing is, because of my childhood, no, I was very scared of failure. I was
Huh.
extremely scared of failure and scarcity of money,
No.
which is, I'm very scared.
Hmm.
So, uh, while I took the plunge, I didn't understand the depth of it,
Huh.
and I kind of, and it obviously happens, Kshitij, that when you are on your own,
Huh.
the world kind of moves away. It
Huh.
happens. I mean,
It
it will
happens.
happen with everybody.
Huh.
That I realized.
Huh.
Take care. So, I mean, people who I used to call friends in advertising, they kind of moved away. People who I used to hang out with in the agency, they moved away.
Huh.
And while I also had an inclination कि ये सब हो सकता है,
Huh.
but I never thought that would become the reality.
Huh.
So,
And to what extent?
so people turn their backs.
Yeah.
Yeah, to what extent? Absolutely.
Hmm.
So people completely turn their backs towards
Huh.
me,
Huh.
and I also I also decided to get married.
Huh.
So, but Chani was very supportive, extremely supportive. मतलब she still is today.
Huh.
So आज तक she's extremely supportive, So
You told me that she was
तो
the
मुझे
only one
लगा ठीक है
standing with
हो
you at
जाएगा.
that time.
Absolutely.
Hmm.
Absolutely. While mom and dad agreed to it and they were fine with it, they were always there with me. Yeah, I mean, the best part about them is they never said anything. They never kind of were against any of my decisions in life. So they were always there, standing besides me. But Chandni kind of giving me that support was amazing. So I was very much, I got the right push from her. And but यार क्या होता है कि when it's an arranged marriage, you also don't know each other so much. So वो settle होने में time लगता, ठीक है, वो settle होने में 3 साल लग जाते. So now Chani and I are fine. We are still in a very good place. But 3 years back, we just didn't know each other. And the same thing happened with Vanilla. We started. I started with Vinit Bhatt and Chindak Panda, who are my partners. Really great partners, amazing sense of understanding of film. But again, three of us were in the same boat. I mean, in terms of maturity, we thought that people are nice and they will come out and help us and all of that. And it turned out that the world is not so nice. So like, oh shit, where do we go from here now?
Till you are in the power of position, now people are very nice to you. But the moment you leave the power of position, everything changes.
Absolutely. No, and in fact, when I was a creative director, every day a production house used to call me. We want to show you our work. We want to do this. And now I was on the other side.
Now you have to call the agencies and ask them for work.
Yeah, and I used to be pretty. I used to see, for me, I mean, I always believe that
things happen
giving
for
an
a reason.
opportunity. No, and वो तो है. But I think giving an opportunity to somebody or empowering somebody is very satisfactory. It kind of actually gives you a sense of fulfillment. तो मुझे जब भी कोई भी प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस के कॉल आते थे, ये आते थे, मैं बहुत ही भोला भंडारी बन के अपने बॉसेस के चले जाता था कि ये देखो यार. और बट ऑब्वियसली स्पार्क होना चाहिए वो लोग के काम में. ऐसा नहीं कि यार
काम अच्छा होना
कुछ भी काम देखकर मैं वो लोग को मिलने बुला देता था. ऐसा नहीं है. काम में स्पार्क होता था तो आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, ओ डूड, इसके काम में स्पार्क है. इसको इतना काम क्यों नहीं मिल रहा. मेरे हिसाब से वो था. ठीक है. But when I came on the other side, I realized that was not the case at all. It was all about friendships and relations, and this, that, and so it wasn't only good work. And I was like, oh shit, I think I made a mistake. And one man's name I would like to mention. He's no more. A very, very good friend. He passed away due to COVID complications last week. His name is Tala Nazim. And Tala was the one who gave me my first film. Yeah, he was the one who gave me my first film. I don't know, Kshitij, you have seen it, but it's that Children's Day film, the Hyundai film, where the kids are going.
Acha, I haven't seen that.
They are
देखना
just
पड़ेगा मेरे को.
they are air driving the cars,
Actually, I've
and
seen
it
it. I've
says
seen it. I've seen it long back actually.
and it says to the drivers of tomorrow, Happy
Ah.
Children's Day.
I've seen it actually.
So he gave me that break. Yeah, I mean, all thanks to him. And
he was from Maccan, right?
Of course, the budget wasn't much. Yeah, he was from Maccan, Delhi, and then he went to Ocean, and we worked together when he was in Ocean. It broke my heart when he passed away. But yeah, and then from there, so yeah, ऐसा हुआ है कि, like I said, I believe in science and I believe in superpower. So one thing I realized, Kshitij, was nothing is in your hands. Nothing is in your hands.
True.
Especially when you are running a business. And then after a point, I started letting it go. I said, let it, जो भी होगा अच्छे के लिए होगा, और जो भी मेरे लिए सही होगा वो मेरे साथ होगा. What was right for me will happen to me. So all I will do is work really hard and not think about anything else. And I started working hard. I said, let me just forget everything. Of course, I was heartbroken, and I was really shattered with the way I was treated after I came on the other side. But it gave me so much courage.
You told me for an entire year you were at home and you were sulking all the time, and you were thinking you were in the negative state of mind, and Chandni Bhabhi was the only one who was supporting you.
Yes, we have this chat. Absolutely.
And for an entire year you were like, what is happening with me?
Yeah. So unfortunately, father also lost his job, and all those things happened. Anyways, so and I just said, let me just do what I'm good at. Let me just focus on ideation and giving my best and doing my best work. And throughout that time, Chintan and Nidit supported me like crazy. There were so many times when I felt like giving up. I said, dude, I can't take this anymore. Because this is so unfair. I've been so good to so many. लगता है
बिल्कुल लगता है, of course.
तुम emotional हो जाते हो, But अभी in the hindsight when I see, I'm like, ये क्या बकवास था, मैं किस चीज को लेके लोड ले रहा था, ऐसा होता है. Now you start laughing at that. You laugh at it. It is so silly. But what would have happened if I wouldn't have got opportunities at the right time? It so happened that I just kept getting opportunities at the right time. Some or the other friend turned up, agency friend turned up and gave me a job. And it was, a lot of it was incidental, Kshitij. A lot of it was not intentional. I'm not lying. So in fact, if I had to tell you the McDonald's film that we did, the Eat Cool Packaging film, where you see a girl with an amputated hand having a burger, my treatment was bombed, and I was like, shit, I don't think, guys, we are getting this job. But the creative team had so much faith in me. They said, Ashik, you have won so many awards in the past, and we believe that you can do something that's in the public service space. So we want to work with you on this one. And it came to me. It just came to me, and then I gave my best. And I mean, there was no song and all of that in the film. But I didn't tell the creative team that I'm going to put a song. So only on the presentation day did I put a song, and they were mesmerized. They were like, "What the hell is this?" And they just went with the flow. Because if I would have, अगर मैंने बोला होता कि मैं गाना डालने वाला हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ, वो कर रहा हूँ, तो वो बहुत ज्यादा उस पर चर्चा होती और उधर ही मर जाता. So I didn't want to bring that up. While I had it in my head, PPM I didn't bring that up. But on the presentation day, I just presented the film with the song. I said, "This is your film," and they were just blown away by the film. So I think a lot of things just happen, but I think they only happen if you have the will to do something substantial.
While working with you, there was one thing that I noticed was that I have also worked with other directors as well. I've also worked in advertising agencies. You were very hardworking. We were making one PPT. You made me download 300 photos for just one, and you put more than only 4 or 5 photos in the entire PPT. I downloaded more than 300 photos. You downloaded 300 photos. I think Chintan also downloaded 300 photos. And after seeing all those photos, you just picked 4 photos. And I was irritated. And you was calling when I was at home. You were calling me again and again. She all photo page, all photo page, all photo page. मैंने कहा आपको कितनी photos चाहिए, कितने references चाहिए. So you're working very hard till you get that thing. So that is what I liked about you. At that time, I was irritated, frankly. But later I realized that if he has something in his mind, then he's striving very hard to get that thing. Like I would compromise on some level कि भाई इससे ला मेहनत नहीं होने वाली, रात को 12 बज चुका है, अभी सो जाते हैं सब लोग. और मुझे याद है हम लोग सब जमीन में बैठे हुए थे, हम लोग constantly downloading photos and making PPM because अगले दिन देना था शायद आपको. So that is one thing that I really liked about you, that you were very persistent about your choices. कि मुझे चाहिए तो यार चाहिए चाहिए, ये सही नहीं लगेगा क्षितिज, जिसको ना किसी दूसरी जगह से निकाल, इसको ना ऐसा कर, इसको इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसा कर. यू आर वेरी क्लियर अबाउट योर विजन एट दैट टाइम. एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो वन थिंग दैट यू ऑल्सो टोल्ड मी एट दैट टाइम, जो मुझे याद है कि जो 1 साल आपने घर पे बिताया था जब आप व्हेन यू आर वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड डिप्रेस अबाउट थिंग्स, एट दैट टाइम जैसे आपने बताया कि एंड में यू डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल वेरी ऑनेस्ट विद माई सेल्फ एंड आई विल फोकस ऑन व्हाट आई एम गुड एट. I will, if I'm good at ideation, I will focus on that as well. That is what you told me at that time. It was very good time for you because you at that time you made a decision for your lives. Because जब नीचे जाता है आदमी, only then he makes true decisions about his life.
अच्छा अभी मेरा डबिंग में कुछ गाली डाल के मत ये करना just because I will download so many images.
अच्छा नहीं, मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, एक और चीज थी, आपने मुझे एक फिल्म भी दिखाई थी, आपने वीडियो पे एक फिल्म भी बनाई थी, तो वो उसका मुझे जर्नी बताइए आप थोड़ा सा.
तो शॉर्ट फिल्म की बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, शॉर्ट फिल्म जो आपने पिच करी थी हर जगह पे.
हाँ, so basically
you made it in literally zero budget.
Yeah, 4,000 rupees.
हाँ, 4,000.
Correct. So basically, basically अपना, so Vinit, Chintan and me, we have decided to join hands. And at that time I was working with Ogilvy, and I just told them one thing. Listen, 3 of us are very excited to work with each other. But let's just do an exercise. Let's see if things are working well, you know. So, and जब हम लोग कुछ प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे, तब हम लोग को समझ में आ जाएगा कि यार whether we are meant to work with each other or no. You know. So at that time, as a form of exercise, we did that. Luckily, timing इतना सही रहा कि a girl, her name is Anu Sisarwala. She works in Ogilvy as well, and she had this idea for the short film. It was her short film, and she had come to me and she had narrated the short film to me. And she said, "Harshik, I really like the way you see films. You know, I really like the way you see things." I don't know from where she had got that confidence. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने 500 फिल्में बना दी थी वो time पे. But I think somewhere she felt that, you know, I have a sense of visual storytelling. So at that time she had come to me, and I said, okay, why not? Let's do it. ऐसे करके then we shot that film at Vinit's place, and again the cast, huge thanks to them, Veena Nair and Erin Rodriguez, both of them amazing theatre actors, top-notch actors, man. I mean, like they are doing like proper advertising stuff at this point of time. And Veena is like one very senior actor who has worked in this movie called The Court. If you've seen it, she had a very small role to play. But utne ke liye bhi she will ask you 10,000 questions. So she was sitting in Vinit's bedroom, Vinit Bhatt's bedroom. We are shooting the film at his place because obviously you can't create the set, right? So she asked me, so what is the woman's background? And I was sweating. I was like, oh shit, why is she asking me questions? She's an actor, doesn't she know her job? And I was like, oh shit, now अभी इसको मैं क्या जवाब दूँ यार, इतनी सीनियर एक्टर है, मेरे को सवाल पूछ रही है. But luckily I made up something and I just served it to her, you know. कि मम्मी है, काम करती है, सुबह नहाया है, बाल गीले है, very fresh, but you know she's working from home, she's just about to leave for job. Husband अंदर तैयार हो रहा है. So luckily that was enough for her to understand. And then we did that short film, and that short film actually got screened at 7 film festivals. 3 international film festivals and 4 Indian film festivals. It also got played at the Long Shot, which is the.
It was a good short film. Because you kept the treatment very nice. I think because you're from advertising, you kept like the look and feel of the film was very good actually. Story भी अच्छी
Yeah,
थी.
I mean, now if I look at it, I'm very embarrassed, but ठीक है.
No, the first thing that I noticed was the look and feel was good. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
It was,
yeah,
I would
yeah,
say story
yeah.
was okay, but the look and feel was very good.
Huh.
So it came out good. So
Yeah,
if we have to pitch it to advertisings,
सही बोल रहा है. I mean, you're right. See, the thing is, it at least gives a confidence that we can create something together, you know. And it's also very important to do certain kind of. What happens is a lot of people say कि हम लोग कर लेंगे यार, we'll start our own thing and we'll do it. It doesn't work like that. You need to first do few exercises, understand few things. Even though what I did, I think one thing I did was wrong was I took the plunge too directly. You know, I just didn't think that, you know, can I do a side gig or can I have a side hustle? Can I do it like that? But yeah, at that point of time, I was also very I'm a very value based guy यार. तो अगर मेरे वैल्यूज पे कुछ चीजें नहीं बैठ रही है तो then I don't like belonging to that environment. वैसा वाला सीन है. तो that's when I decided यार I want to move on.
हाँ, क्योंकि एजेंसी में नॉर्मली क्या करता है कि लास्ट के 2-3 साल ना लोग प्रोडक्शन हाउस से दोस्ती बढ़ाने लगते हैं, बहुत सारे प्रोडक्शन हाउस से, फिर उसके बाद छोड़ते हैं ताकि उनका एक सेफ साइड रहे. तो ये मैंने देखा है बहुत. हाँ,
मैंने वो नहीं किया.
मुझे पता है.
So Vinit was a photographer before I met him.
How you met your partners? ये बताइए.
Yeah. So Vinit was a photographer before I met him, and he was a freelancer. He was like this print ad photographer, social media post photographer. Not very big on production, but decent production. क्योंकि वो फ्रीलांसर है, he is well traveled, you know, he's met people and all of that. तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं पे सेंस हुआ कि he can, and also he was a great contributor in assets. Great contributor. तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं पे सेंस हुआ कि यार Vinit is contributing really well. You know, and he also has this sense of studios और recording कहाँ पे हो सकती है, editing कहाँ पे हो सकती है, ये सब चीजों का सेंस बहुत करेक्ट है बंदे. तो मैंने उसको ऐसे ही एक दिन पूछा कि यार आई वांट टू स्टार्ट माय ओन थिंग, विल यू बी माय पार्टनर? तो विनर बीइंग विनर एक सेकंड के लिए भी उसने सोचा नहीं. ही सेड ओके, लेट्स डू इट. ओके. सो आई सो स्वीट. ओके, ठीक है, करते हैं. एंड देन चिंतन वाज अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन. he was a
he's also an advertising guy.
No, he's not an advertising guy, he's a channel guy. So he used to work directly with channels and, you know, sporting events and stuff like that. And I think for the second part of Acid Sale, I worked with Chintan on editing. And trust me, Kshitij, I've never seen an editor like him. Never. मैंने कभी चिंतन जैसा एडिटर नहीं देखा है. He edited a film like butter, man. Brilliant, smooth editing. So like, dude, this guy can actually edit. You know, and then I said, brilliant. I mean, you know, I'm a storyteller. Vinit is a producer, and Chintan can be the editor. And slowly, he also has a good sense of cinema. Chintan. So I said, I think we might make a good team. That's how it all started.
And why this name, Vanilla Films? Because Vanilla also has some references to different things.
Absolutely, Vanilla is it has a negative connotation.
Yes, as well.
You know, vanilla is plain vanilla and this and that and all. But I think this is the confidence that comes when you have great partners, you know. I mean, I just told them I love vanilla flavor, man. I love vanilla ice cream. That's my favorite flavor.
that is the origin of this name. That you love vanilla ice cream.
That's so vanilla.
How simple.
And then also it came from the fact where, you know, vanilla is fresh. Every time you have, because whenever I eat vanilla ice cream, I feel so refreshed. So vanilla is new beginning, starting from scratch. You add anything to it, it becomes tasty. So it is basically the crux of many flavors. You know, it can be the starting point of many flavors, and that is what vanilla is. It is a starting point. You add anything to it, it becomes delicious. That's where it came from. And just to tell you that, Kshitij, without giving lecture on what vanilla is in our head, a man, after seeing somebody on LinkedIn, he wrote please check this piece out.
Yeah.
It's as fresh as Vanilla, created by
Okay.
Vanilla Films.
That's good
It was a
actually.
Gulf film,
Hmm. Acha, it
and
was
I
a
was like,
girlfriend.
dude, isn't this branding?
Yeah.
Isn't this what we wanted? We
Huh.
wanted our brand to speak certain language, and
Hmm.
now people are talking that language.
Hmm. That's a beautiful thing actually.
So, so I was like, dude, I was like, okay, then somewhere we are doing something right.
Hmm. So what are your future plans now? मतलब ad films तो हो गए अभी 3-4 साल आपको हो गए. You have won awards, you have done viral ad films, you have achieved everything that an ad film director aspires to. So what next? Feature films.
No, I think shit is. I think advertising is something that I don't want to leave so
Yeah.
easily.
Hmm.
And to be very honest, I am still a student there. I am still learning.
Hmm.
Uh, I mean, uh, I still want to do a lot in advertising,
Hmm.
when it comes to filmmaking for advertising.
Hmm.
So I don't think I have achieved everything and there's so much that I've done.
Huh.
I think I'm just a minuscule amount of what can be done in terms of quality and in terms of content weight.
Hmm.
So I haven't reached there. But obviously, we want to diversify.
Hmm.
We want to create a team that will create a path
Hmm.
for future filmmakers.
Hmm.
It's too nascent at this point to
Hmm.
speak about it. So जब तक कुछ materialize नहीं होता, I don't want to talk about it.
Hmm.
But yeah, if
Hmm.
we have future plans to
Hmm.
diversify and pivot, we
Hmm.
do.
Okay.
We do. But filmmaking will be the crux of it. It's not going anywhere.
You're not
Filmmaking is
going back
something that
to.
we love, and we will be in it. I think till the time we can.
So you're enjoying this phase of your life.
Oh, absolutely, totally, man. I mean, see, the thing is, I definitely, I'm not a guy who loves board meetings and
Hmm.
who loves to be part of the corporate side of things.
Hmm.
That was a big. Uh, it was a huge point for
Hmm.
me to quit uh, uh, desk work, if I have to say it. You
Hmm.
know, खैर अभी तो social distancing और
हाँ,
लॉकडाउन की वजह से सब लोग डेस्क पे आ गए.
हाँ.
But I am saying I always wanted to be somebody who's running around, doing
Hmm.
things,
Hmm.
creating things, being part of the hustle. I like to be that.
हाँ.
I don't want to be somebody who sits in a cabin and gets mails and gives out briefs. And I'm not that kind of a guy.
हाँ.
Not at all.
हाँ.
You know, I feel life is too short to spend in boardrooms.
Hmm.
So I don't belong there. So I think yeah, I think that's
You are
why
enjoying
I
the
love
part of this life.
filmmaking.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Actually,
absolutely. I mean,
that was
yeah,
actually the last question I thought I was ask you, but there's one more question that just popped in my head, and
yeah,
that is
yeah.
कि advertising में ad film direction में is there enough independence? Because a lot of ad film directors also told me that there are a lot of restrictions as an ad film director, because a lot of client briefings, a lot of agency briefings, a lot of people come on set and they see what you are doing. A lot of freedom that you get on film sets you don't get on ad film sets. Is that so? Is it something you have also felt?
See, I am nobody to compare feature filmmaking and ad filmmaking because I
Huh.
haven't made any feature films till now.
Huh.
Okay, but I'll tell you one thing. Of course, there are restrictions in ad filmmaking. Of course, there are people who will be kind of uh, guiding you to make certain kind of film and move it in certain direction.
Hmm.
But to be honest, you are directly connected to a brand.
Hmm.
Brand is pumping in a lot of money to
Hmm.
make an advertising film.
Hmm.
So I mean, they have the total right to have a say.
Hmm.
And all said and done in advertising, we are taught to make our weaknesses our strengths.
True.
You know.
Hmm.
So, for example, if you have to speak of Reshma
Hmm.
and acid sale, we
Hmm.
didn't have money, so we
Hmm.
made an acid attack survivor sit in a room and talk
Hmm.
directly to the camera, and it
Hmm.
did wonders.
Huh.
You know,
People think it's a
We
great
had
concept, but it was because of lack of money that.
absolutely, absolutely. I mean,
हाँ,
before that, we had so many scripts
हाँ,
where a couple is sitting and they're having conversation, then somebody throws something on somebody's face.
हाँ,
All that happened, but we didn't have the liberty to go there because there was no
हाँ,
money.
हाँ,
You will have to create sets, you have to create
हाँ,
environment. You don't have that
हम्म,
money. But
हम्म,
with the girl sitting in the room, all you have to do is create a background. That's it. It's done.
हाँ,
So I mean, that's why I mean, and also advertising for me, Kshitij, is a playground.
हम्म,
I get to experiment so much. I get to learn so much.
हम्म,
Because somewhere I feel advertising is ahead of the curve. Whatever new
हाँ,
technology, whatever new kind of storytelling, it enters advertising, then it kind of shifts
हम्म,
to. I mean, of course, feature films and OTTs are very bold these days, and they do bold storytelling. But somewhere I feel, in terms of technicalities, I feel advertising still ahead of the crowd.
हम्म,
Because the kind of lighting that we use, the kind of
हम्म,
camera technicians that enter advertising,
attention to details
the,
actually.
the attention to detail,
हम्म,
you kind of storyboard everything to the T.
everything.
So,
True.
so I think that it's a good playground. Yeah, it
Hmm.
just keeps you in practice so well.
I
So
personally
I
feel
don't
advertising is more disciplined than actually filmmaking. It is much more,
absolutely,
हाँ, टाइम कॉन्स्टेंट होता है
absolutely,
आपके पास, उसमें 30 सेकंड में आपको
absolutely.
स्टोरी
You
भी
just have
बतानी है.
one day to yeah, you just have one
हाँ,
day to finish your film, or
entire
maybe two
thing.
days max,
हाँ,
and you have to plan everything because
हाँ,
people are going to ask you questions.
हम्म,
The
हाँ. Your
creative
job
team,
doesn't end with the shooting.
it
हाँ,
doesn't end.
हाँ,
Agency and the client are going to ask you tough questions, and
हाँ,
you need to have answers.
हाँ,
You can't sit and fumble there.
हाँ.
You
True.
can't be clueless. So you
Hmm.
need to figure your shit out
Hmm.
and then be prepared to answer all the hard questions.
Hmm.
That is what advertising filmmaking teaches you.
अच्छा, there's one more
So
question.
yeah.
1 घंटा हो गया, मैंने आपका 1 घंटा ले लिया. एक और सवाल पूछना
Oh, no
चाहता हूँ.
worries, no worries, no worries.
अगर कोई लड़का दिल्ली से है, बिहार से है, यूपी से, उड़ीसा से है, अगर वो आना चाहे और आपको असिस्ट करना चाहे असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर की तरफ, तो क्या वो चीजें हैं, क्या वो क्वालिटीज हैं जो आप एक असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर में देखते हो या अपने असिस्टेंट में देखते हो कि वो आपको अप्रोच करे तो आप उसको अपने काम में रख लोगे? व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज दैट यू आर लुकिंग इन एन असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर?
Yeah, I think with cinema, a lot of things so happen that a lot of cinephiles want to make films. See, there's a difference. It is. I mean, people who love films, loving filmmaking and actually making films
मेकिंग
are two
फिल्म्स.
different things.
हाँ, ट्रू.
They're two different things. So sometimes what happens is, I think ये same chat अपनी हुई है पहले तेरी
हाँ,
और
हाँ,
मेरी, if I'm not wrong. I think sometimes people believe that because they love films, they can make films.
हाँ,
Sometimes it's true,
हाँ.
but the bitter
Actually,
truth
this
is,
thought has came from Tarantino, who exaggerates
okay,
everything. He started saying, if you want to become a filmmaker, start watching films a lot. What he meant to say, start watching films and make your own shitty films, and that's when you become filmmakers. People started thinking
yeah,
that if you watch a
correct.
lot of films, you will automatically become filmmaker. That doesn't
Yeah, it
happen
got lost
actually.
in translation.
Ah,
Correct. Absolutely. No, so I think, so if you have to ask me if, so I think pretense is one hardworking, and
एक
that
बार
person
फिर
needs
से
to
आपको बताना
have
पड़ेगा, आपका नेट चला गया था.
spark. Sorry. You can ask me this question again, Kshitij.
हाँ.
Sorry, man. Sorry, really
No,
sorry for
it's
this.
okay, it's okay.
हाँ.
जो असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर हैं वो किस तरह का आप देखते हो, किस तरह का असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर आपको चाहिए?
Yeah, so absolutely. So I was, like I was saying, a lot of cinephiles are people, a lot of people who watch movies and love movies, they think they can make the films rather than, people who can actually make films. So there's a separation there. ठीक है? तो ऐसा नहीं है कि because I love watching films, I can make films. ठीक है? ये बहुत अलग, it's a very different game. It's a very hard-working field. यहाँ पे बहुत मेहनत लगती है. जो तुम देखते हो पर्दे पे 3 घंटे या 30 सेकंड जो भी देखते हो उसमें बहुत मेहनत जाती है. ठीक है,
उसमें ये नहीं होता कि अरे शाम के 8 बज गए और मैं घर जा रहा हूँ, वैसा नहीं होता यहाँ पे.
Correct. See, I totally don't appreciate. I'm not of the mindset कि यार रात पाली की तो ही अच्छा काम होता है.
हाँ
I'm not of that mindset.
हाँ
ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है. But hard work बहुत जरूरी है.
हाँ
Being honest to yourself बहुत जरूरी है. Dedication बहुत जरूरी है. और सबसे बड़ी चीज enthusiasm
हाँ
और positive attitude.
बहुत जरूरी है. ट्रू.
Positive attitude तुम्हें कहाँ से कहाँ लेके जाएगा तुम्हें कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि I can do this, I will do this no matter what. And the biggest thing is have trust in your mentor. I've seen so
True.
many juniors who don't trust their mentors. If you have taken somebody as a mentor, just trust them. Just trust them, blindly trust them. Even if you don't know what's happening, even if you don't understand what is happening, just trust them for 6 months and exactly do what they're trying to tell you. And I'm not saying somebody who is like a chauvinist or somebody who is nasty to you. You should not stand that. Please do not stand that. But somebody who knows his or her shit, you know, somebody who has weight in what somebody is trying to tell you. So listen to them. Become a good
Sometimes
listener.
having blind faith is a good thing actually.
Absolutely, because it has worked for me. That's what I'm saying. मैं जब मैकेन में था, I had a boss who just come from Malaysia, you know, and I was not so good at art direction. By art direction, I don't mean the filmmaking art direction. Set बनाना नहीं. Graphic designing. I wasn't good at that. I didn't understand what a good graphic design is. But he taught me what good graphic design is, and not by मेरे बाजू में बैठ के मुझे नहीं सिखाता था वो. मैंने सोच ली थी मैं कम से कम 5 से 6 कैंपेन करूंगा ये साल, और वो कैंपेन पे मैं उससे हेल्प लूंगा. So by creating those campaigns, by executing those campaigns on Adobe Illustrator, I learned the craft of graphic design. He taught me what good graphic designing is. He taught me to understand what good advertising is. He taught me to understand what good looking visuals are. So I trusted him. You know, even though I wasn't, you know, understanding where this is going, whether I learned something or no. But I just told you one thing, dude, by the end of the year, I want you to make me win awards. And it did. It happened. That year, I won so many awards, not internationally, but local awards. I won so many of them. And yeah, that was my training.
That thing happened subconsciously because you were trusting that guy.
Achha, when did that happen? That was because I was positive.
You were positive.
You know, the moment I had started becoming negative or pessimist, it would have gone the drain. मतलब वो चला जाता, मतलब मैं वो सोचना शुरू कर देता, ये क्या मेरे को एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहा है यार, ये क्या मेरे पे दादागिरी
एक्स्ट्रा काम कर रहा है, एक्स्ट्रा काम करवा रहा है
यार, तो वो सब पानी में चला जाता.
ये बहुत लोग सोचते हैं पैसा देता नहीं है, काम करा ले रहा है मेरे से. ये मुंबई बहुत गंदी एटीट्यूड है.
मेरा बस एक ही एम था कि मुझे क्राफ्ट सीखना है, खत्म बात.
अच्छा, आप एक धोनी वाली स्टोरी बता रहे थे. हाँ, कि उसमें क्या अभी कुछ बताया था, मैंने बीच में काट दिया गलती से उसको.
So Dhoni, I was saying it takes time. Everything is hard work. So even Dhoni, the Dhoni campaign, it took 3 months for us. Because we had to get the young Dhoni right, you know, recreating young Dhoni from 2005 was a task. And I mean, if we had created young Dhoni, who would have not looked like a young Dhoni, you know, from 2005, people would have made fun of us. Funny बन जाते हैं यार, लोग मजाक उड़ाना शुरू कर देते. So we had to be very honest with ourselves. We had to get into the tea of it. वो है 4 मिनट का फिल्म, but उसको लगे 3 महीने to happen. You know. So my point is, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of patience, a lot of hard work. Do not give up so easily, and be positive, be enthusiastic, and trust your mentor. Trust him or her if you are working with them. By not taking any kind of exploitation.
Of course.
Do not take exploitation. Do not fall into
any kind of harassment or anything.
Yeah, do not do that.
Raise your voice against it.
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you so much for your time. मैंने आपसे 1 घंटा मांगा था, उससे ज्यादा मैंने आपका टाइम ले लिया, but I was so enjoying conversations with you and I had so many questions which I wanted to ask you. और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन ऐसे थे जो मुझसे सब्सक्राइबर्स पूछते हैं कि ये सवाल आप पूछेगा, ये सवाल आप पूछेगा, तो वो सारे सवाल
हम्म।
मैंने जहां तक है सब पूछने की कोशिश की है. सो
Great.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम एंड टेक केयर. कोरोना टाइम में प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर फैमिली एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. मुंबई आता हूँ, मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे फिर.
माय प्लेजर मैन, एंड आजा, कभी भी आजा, मिलते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं, कुछ अच्छा काम करते हैं यार मिलकर.
हाँ ठीक है. ओके, बाय
Okay,
बाय.
you take care, man.
बाय
Bye,
बाय.
Shidis. Thanks so much. Yeah, take
बाय.
care.